Let's face it, we're all using ChatGPT every single day for our work. But are you really making the best out of it? Because ChatGPT has evolved quite a bit and it's hard to keep track on all the changes that keep happening and then really to make use of it properly. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can leverage ChatGPT in the best way possible for your research with all its new features. And I can promise you this, you'll be surprised what it can actually do. So in this video, we'll cover ChatGPT's deep research function. We will cover ChatGPT projects. We'll cover image generation for your scientific images. And then we'll go over once more through leveraging custom interactions, how you can design your prompts to get what you're looking for. Before we start, just a very quick introduction. If you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Aynur. I'm a third-year PhD student in chemical engineering at Imperial College London, and I made it my mission to teach you every secret I know in academia, video by video through all my social media channels. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video with the first thing. Number one, ChatGPT's deep research function. Now, this is something that I just recently discovered. ChatGPT has its deep research function where you can ask a question, then ChatGPT will ask follow-up questions just to clarify what you're really looking for. And then it will go into deep research mode where it takes a couple of minutes. You have to wait maybe 5 minutes, sometimes even 10 minutes until ChatGPT has gathered all the literature and all the information that you need. And then it will give you a summary, a mini literature review kind of on the topic. Now, this is amazing for things where you need just to skim literature really quick to understand something. So for example, for me, I needed to figure out last time what the error percentage is of a certain measuring technique, okay? So we did measurements with an experimental technique and I wanted to figure out from literature what is the error in that, because the manufacturer of that material, they did not provide any error bars for this. So such a basic question, this would have taken me hours to figure out. I'd have to go to Google Scholar, I'd have to go through these literatures, and then I just need that error percentage, okay? I don't really need that much information. So with this deep research function, basically ChatGPT went through all the literature out there. It got me the error functions, it got me the references. It's amazing, it got me everything I needed, and you get the references as well, so you can also look it up and double check whether that's correct. And this is so much faster, it's amazing. So ChatGPT's deep research function, check it out. Number two, and I've been using this for several months now. It's ChatGPT's project system. So you can create your own GPTs, the project thing, and you create a new project, you dump your project files in there, you dump your instructions in there, and then this sits in your ChatGPT account all the time. So whenever you have questions about this project, you just go there, you ask them, you start a new chat, and ChatGPT always knows. You don't have to reteach ChatGPT the things, because that's something that's super annoying. If you have reoccurring problems and every single time you have to remind ChatGPT what this is about and write this endless prompt. So in order to ditch that and not do that, you can write these instructions once and upload some additional files that might be useful once, and then you can keep referring, go back to that chat and work on that project together with ChatGPT. So I use this a lot for my coding projects, where I always upload the current state of my codes. I upload all the Python codes. Then I upload different papers that I want to use, that I want to turn into a code, the methodology basically behind it. And then I write an instruction where I explain where this is leading. I say, okay, this code is for this and that's the goal of it, and we're going to work on this together. And yeah, and then this is so cool because I just say to ChatGPT, okay, look at the file, blah, 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 and let's work on this code together. And since this is a running problem, I need to access it multiple times per week, right? So it's always there, and I never have to reteach ChatGPT the things that I've already taught it. So GPT project. Amazing. Now, let's move on to creating visual assets with ChatGPT. This is something, guys, that's going to be a game changer for your graphical abstracts, for your images, for your posters. I've been using this lately for my Instagram posts. I tried it out for creating carousels and stuff, and it does an amazing job, it's really good at that. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to create, think about a graphical abstract. You can also just create small icons with it that you can then copy into Canva or PowerPoint and use it there, because I think at the moment it's still under development. It's not at a stage where you can create an entire graphical abstract and it will look good. But what it does, it's really good at creating single icons and smaller pictures that you can then use for your graphical abstract. Let's say you work in, let's say you work with brain cells or so, okay? And you want a specific cell, or you want some visualization that would take you a lot of time to create by yourself, you can just paste that prompt into ChatGPT and create that. And then you can copy that picture and put it into Canva or PowerPoint and whatever tool you use, and yeah, connect the dots yourself. So it's astonishingly good and so powerful for like science communication, posters and abstracts. So don't miss out on that. Use it. Now the final thing is, the fourth thing is, and I'm sure you didn't know this, but you can customize ChatGPT for you. You can do this in the settings under customize ChatGPT, and this will have effect on all ChatGPT chats that you have. So while ChatGPT project was just, for a specific project, this is for all your chats. So here you can describe who you are and what you do. So me being, I would say I'm a PhD student in chemical engineering. I work on computational fluid dynamics and machine learning, and also I'm a content creator. I create YouTube videos and Instagram videos and that, so that ChatGPT knows, okay, that's what I do. And then you can also like refine how ChatGPT should talk to you, because I feel like I always do the same thing. I say, okay, answer shorter, not so long. You just keep writing these super long responses. I need them short and sharp and punchy. So you can define that and customize your ChatGPT so that all the answers are always the way that you like them to be phrased, okay? So with that also, your ChatGPT interactions will get much better. Yep, and these are my 4 tips. So deep research, ChatGPT projects, visualization, and customizing your ChatGPT. And with these updates in hand in your toolbox, I'm sure that you can use ChatGPT much better for your research. I hope you find this video useful. If you did so, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. It means a lot for the growth of this channel. The bigger this channel gets, the better videos I can produce for you guys. And if you haven't done so already, also check out my Instagram channel, QR code here. I post daily academic tips, so don't miss out on this. And other than that, I hope you're doing well wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!